What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online by doing something that you probably do every single day, and that's watching videos online. Yes, you can get paid to watch videos online. Now, a lot of my current subscribers have been saying to me, Franklin, we want new methods to this channel. We want methods that don't have anything to do with affiliate marketing, and we want methods that are simple to do and don't take a long time to make money. So that's exactly what I'm bringing you today in this video. If you're new to my channel, I bring out videos every single week on how to make money. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you know my next video comes out, and smash that like button so more people get to see this content. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can make money by watching videos. It's a very simple method, but before we do that, we need to actually announce the winner from the last video. I'm going to be doing that right now in the comment generator, and I'll pick someone after this video and I'll put them up on the screen. So this person has won access to one of my courses. Now if you want to know how to get into this, all you've got to do is look for the emoji somewhere in this video and then comment down below the emoji symbol and then plus cash or course, and you can win some cash or you can win access to one of my courses depending on what you choose. So make sure you comment that below and I'll choose the next winner in the next video. We're going to give away either $100 or access to one of my courses. And the reason we're doing this is to help people out who are trying to make money online. So make sure you look out for that emoji. It's not going to be a smiley face like last time, and then comment below when you find it plus what you want. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be taking you through step by step exactly how you can do this. And what we're going to be doing is using a website where people basically exchange engagement, and you can get credits for doing this, and then you can actually take those credits and you can exchange them into money. I'll show you exactly how you can do that. Now you can actually make money by watching YouTube videos like I'm going to show you in this video. You can do other things, and you can make money from doing like TikTok stuff, Snapchat stuff, Facebook stuff, Instagram stuff. There's lots of ways you can actually make money from this website. So you don't actually have to just watch videos. In fact, you can even like videos and you can get paid to like videos. So it's a really good way to make money online if you follow this training all the way to the end. And make sure you don't miss any of this, guys, because I take you through step by step everything you need to know to make this work. And yes, this is completely free. This works anywhere in the world. So let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. And remember to look for that emoji somewhere in this video. And once you've found it, let me know below. All right, guys, so let me show you exactly how this is done. And this is a really cool way, and it's one of the coolest ways I've seen for a while, where you can go out and make a little bit of money online. So let's get into this and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. So the first step is you need to head over to a website called AdMeFast.com. Once you're on that website, click try for free now, and it's going to ask you to register a free account. This is completely free. All you need to do is put in your email, password, and your password again, do the captcha, and then click sign up. Then they're going to send you an email, and you simply click that email to activate your account. Now, once you have that account, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and there's going to be a lot of information on it, but you really don't need to worry about any of that because you only need to do a couple of simple things to start collecting the points so you can make money. What you want to do is you want to scroll down. There's actually a lot of things you can do for points. So you might actually want to check out a few of these other things that might be easier for you to do. Like I actually tried out the Facebook likes one and I found that easier, and I found that I got more points. But essentially what you're doing is you're exchanging social engagement on this platform, and people will give you points to do tasks for them. So you want to go down to YouTube views. We'll use that as an example in this video, and click on YouTube views. And it's going to bring up a page like this. Now, it's either going to say 50 seconds or 30 seconds. I keep getting 50-second ones, 150-second one, sorry. And what I do is I just click view video, and I literally watch this video for 150 seconds. This video right here. And all I need to do is literally watch this video, and you can see it's actually counting down 15, 16, or counting up 17, 18. And I'm going to watch this all the way to 150. And then we're going to show you what happens once I watch this video, and see how it says 248 points here. Well, I'll come back when it's nearly finished and I'll show you exactly what happens once we get to that 150 seconds. All right, guys, so we've got 10 seconds left. I don't even know what this video is. It's just a random video on YouTube of a picture. He probably maybe has an affiliate link or something. No, I'm not sure. But see what happens, 150. And what I need to do now is quit out of this, and I need to do these pictures and submit. And let's see what I've made. So now it's 288. I can't remember what it was before. It was it was 248. So now it's 288. And then all I got to do is click this again and watch another video for another 150 seconds. All you do is click view video. But you don't care about that, okay? You know how to watch the videos now. How do you actually go and make the money with this? Now, the problem with this website, there's actually quite a lot of websites that do this. Most of them will let you exchange the points for money. But in this case, we need to do things a little bit differently. And it's real simple to do, so let me show you exactly how to do it. What you want to do now is once you've accumulated points, I would recommend maybe around about 1,000 points or 500 points, and basically you just collect points just by watching the videos and doing other things, is go to this website here called playerup.com. So this is called playerup.com. And what you can do is you can sign up to get a free account. Once you've signed up to get the free account, you want to scroll down. This is how you make your money. You want to scroll all the way down to where it says all other games and marketplaces. This is essentially a forum or a message board where people trade things and sell things. And there's lots of other boards like this. This isn't the only one. There's actually a lot of them that you can go and use. So click on others and other things, and then go to go down to Facebook, okay? Which is right here. And it's actually going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And what we can actually do is we can go and sell Facebook likes and use that other platform to do that. So let me show you exactly what I mean as an example. We're going to take this one as an example. So this person is selling 200 Facebook likes for $20. Okay, and you might be thinking, why are we on this? This is about making money watching videos. Let me explain to you how this works and how you can make money. So what you can actually do on this AdMeFast is you can basically start a gig selling Facebook likes, okay? So let's say, for example, we're gonna go and sell 200 Facebook page likes on this particular website for $200. Now, keep in mind that there's actually people doing way more. So people, we've got 200 Facebook likes for $200. We've got $50, we've got $90. We've got all sorts of, another $50 here. We've got all sorts of numbers that people are selling these for. We're going to stick to the $30 one. So all you would do is you would go and list your services here. You go back to AdMeFast, and then when someone gives you their Facebook page URL and you make a sale, you go to Add Site and Page, and you go Facebook likes, and you can pick worldwide or selected countries, and you just do a title. It doesn't really matter what the title is. That's just for your reference. But you put in the page URL here, and you go total clicks 200, and then what you can actually do is you're going to give credit to every single person that clicks. So we'll say 5 credits, okay? And then basically what's going to happen is people are going to go to the Facebook likes thing, and they're going to actually like the page, and you're going to actually pay them your credits, okay? So you're going to give them your credits. But this person over here, when you actually create this service, when they buy that for $20, then you're going to get paid. So you're selling Facebook likes on this website, and you can give them Facebook likes by using your credits in exchange for those Facebook likes, if that makes sense. Now let me show you some math to help you understand how profitable this could be for you. So 150 seconds is 2 minutes, okay? 2.5 minutes. Now, 24 videos watched per hour, so that's 960 points. So you're going to make 960 points per hour, and there's also 30-second ones and different ones as well, so it's not always going to be the same. And for the Facebook section, let's say you sell someone 200 likes and you give people 5 points per like, you're going to be using 1,000 points. So you're going to make $20 per 1,000 points that you earn. On this website right here, if you earn 1,000 points, if I get this up to 1,000 points, I could go and list my services on this website and sell 200 Facebook likes for $20. And that's how I would make my money back, by using this website. All right, guys, that's a nice little way to make some money online. Now, by no means is this going to get you rich, okay? You might make like $200 a day, maybe $100, maybe 20 bucks per day. I'm not sure how much you're gonna make, but this will not make you a lot of money. However, if you are looking for some ways to make more money, I actually just released an update to one of my courses called Savage Affiliates that takes you through step by step on how to start your own affiliate marketing business, which is one of the best ways to make money online. And I'll actually leave a link to that in the description, and you can go and check it out, and you can see if this method is right for you. And I take you through exactly how to start your own affiliate marketing business. However, if you're not interested in that, because I know that a lot of people don't even want to get into courses, that's fine. I'll actually leave a playlist up on the screen that's completely free for you to watch, and that will take you through the best videos on the best methods online and how to make money. Now, don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, leave that comment below for your competition, for your entry, and smash that like button, and I'll see you on the next video.